Have to get away from the Babylon. Get away. Get away. Get away. Get away.
What's up, my new YouTubians? I know. Where has she been? Who is she? Again. And again. Look at this one. I have a new plant. I don't even know the name of it yet. But I do know it is low light, which is like rare for me. I seem to always get plants that need highlight. Let's hope that this thing does okay. Now I have to adjust my way of thinking as far as care. Like I said, it's low light. This is going to be different. I think I have a nice spot for it on my plant shelf though, because I can never find a spot. I can never find a plant. I'm doing a video. I can never find a plant for this spot because the lighting is low. So now I have one, and it started off small, as you will see in the video. I hope that you guys enjoy it. I am not going to keep talking because you already know how I get when I do that. I just keep going and going and going. And this is not what I want. Let's go. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Smack that like, pound that subscribe, and ring that notification bell for your girl. Let's get to the video. I think we have a winner. I love the green of this. The price is nice, and so is the fact that it's small. I love to get them small. I prefer them small because then I can see them grow. I was kind of deciding, come on please, with this one too. This is pretty to me. It's nice and soft looking, and it's soft in texture as well. And it's a tropical plant, low light. It calls for, don't be gentle, remember, soft. So I like this too. I love the exotic look of the trunk area, how it twists up, almost reminds me of bamboo. Like I said, we're going to do the $5 plant, and I think I'm going to just choose this one. Something different. Wish me luck, guys. Ready? Yeah. Say bye.
Bye.
I wasn't even recording. Oh my God. So like I got this idea from another YouTuber. When you're in the store looking for plants and pieces just fall off, you know, you just take them home and replant them. You guys know I'm not really good with succulents, but yeah, once I heard it was free pieces, so you know, I was excited. Okay, so listen, you guys, my face looks so serious. I'm just showing you the root to these bulbs that I just planted, and yeah, the roots, they started rooting again. They're actually tulips, I believe. No, they're not. It's something else. I forget what they are. But they're dormant right now, so I'm going to just put those in a big pot. Right now I'm showing you that because I don't have a good drainage hole pot, and I really want to use this ceramic pot for this plant, I put rocks at the bottom. Actually, it's cement, and they clumped as rocks. So I put up about a good 1.5 inches of them in there to provide some good drainage for the soil from the roots, because this plant does require to have good drainage holes in your pots. So I'm trying this and hopefully it works. Yeah, hopefully this works out. Look how serious my face looks. Like, why am I so serious? I am in deep thought right here, guys. So every time I plant, I get lost in thought. It's very therapeutic for me, so excuse the faces that you may see me making. Okay, so here I'm just mixing up the plant food, and since it's only just this one plant, which was still too much water, I didn't saturate the plant because, like I said, it needs good drainage. So I did give it some plant food, and I just watered around the edges where the new dirt was added because it was kind of still moist on the soil that it was already in. So I didn't want to overdo it, so I just did the edges, and then I just added the rest of what I had left over to my other plants. Okay, so now I'm just going to add these loose piece leaves from the succulents that I ended up with to this little pot right here. Hopefully they will grab on and root. I don't know. You guys know I have the worst luck with these. So, like I said, it was free, so I'm not even going to be pressed about it if it doesn't. I'm just going to keep trying to get, you know, train myself on how to deal with succulents. I mean, how else am I going to learn? Instead of just laying them on top of the dirt, I actually, you know, put them inside the dirt a little bit. Like, I basically kind of planted it. Hopefully that will work. So I had to add another plant rack in here. I just took this one from out my living room and put it over here because I needed more space, because the wooden plant rack that I have right here that you guys see isn't big enough for the bigger plants. So and a lot of the plants require, you know, a lot of light, so it's kind of hard finding spots sometimes on the plant rack for certain plants. But I just added another rack and did it like that. I'm gonna have to start paying attention to getting lower light plants and small ones at that. Now I do have another video where I broke my snake plants in half and put those in 2 separate pots. And this big plant right here on the floor, which is the spider plant, I took that out of the pot it was in and put it in the floor pot. It was just really big, so I hope she survives. Because now she's going to be kind of in a different spot because of the pot. It's really big, but yeah. Everyone is doing good, and I'm happy. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you next time.
Leaving Babylon system, leaving Babylon, leaving Babylon.